Hey everyone, welcome to our beginner's guide on software testing. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of software testing and exploring three key development models: Waterfall, V-model, and Agile. These models are fundamental to understanding how software is developed and tested. If you're new to this, don't worry, I've got you covered. We'll break down each model step by step. Let's break it down in simple terms so you can grasp the basics without feeling overwhelmed. First up, the Waterfall model. This is one of the oldest and most straightforward models in software development. Imagine this as a straight line sequence where each phase flows into the next. You start with requirements and move step by step through design, implementation, verification, and maintenance. Each stage is crucial and must be completed before moving on to the next. Each phase must be completed before moving to the next, ensuring a structured and disciplined approach. Testing happens towards the end, right after implementation. This means that any issues or bugs are only discovered after the development is mostly complete. The downside? Any bugs found late can be costly to fix, both in terms of time and resources. This can lead to significant delays and increased costs. Now, onto the V model, also known as the verification and validation model. This model addresses some of the limitations of the waterfall model. Think of a V shape. The left side represents the development stages, and the right side represents the corresponding testing stages. On the left side, you have the development stages, similar to waterfall requirements, system design, and more. Each stage is carefully planned and executed. On the right side, you have corresponding testing stages. This means that for every development activity, there is a corresponding testing activity. For example, requirements are tested against acceptance tests, system design against system tests, and so on. This ensures that testing is integrated throughout the development process. This simultaneous development and testing approach helps catch issues earlier, reducing the risk of costly fixes later on. Finally, we have Agile. Agile is more like a loop. It's a flexible and iterative approach to software development. It's all about iterative development, where work is divided into small, manageable chunks. Work is divided into small chunks called sprints, usually lasting a couple of weeks. Each sprint involves planning, development, testing, and review. Testing is integrated throughout each sprint, so you're continuously building and testing. This allows for continuous feedback and improvement. This makes it easier to adapt to changes and catch issues early, ensuring a more flexible and responsive development process. So, where does testing fit in these models? Let's compare. In Waterfall, testing is a separate phase after implementation. This can lead to late discovery of issues. In the V model, testing activities are planned in parallel with development stages. This helps in early detection of issues. And in Agile, testing is a continuous part of the development process. This ensures that issues are caught and addressed promptly. To sum it up, Waterfall is linear and sequential, V model is structured with parallel testing, and Agile is flexible and iterative. Each model has its unique approach to integrating testing. Each has its pros and cons, and the choice depends on your project needs. Consider factors like project size, complexity, and flexibility when choosing a model. And that's a wrap on software testing throughout the development lifecycle. I hope this guide has given you a clear understanding of the different models and their approaches to testing. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more beginner-friendly tech videos. Your support helps us create more content like this. Thanks for watching, and see you next time. Stay curious and keep learning.